Hey, Jeremy here from LATT SEO. In this video, I'm walking through an audit I did for a prospect to share with them a number of different elements that can be improved and cleaned up on their site from an SEO perspective to help them generate more organic traffic, rank better, and likely generate more revenue as well. Let's get into it. I put this video together for you to look at your site, show you a couple things going on, mainly from an SEO perspective, and show you what can and should be cleaned up to help you rank better and generate more traffic and sales from Google search. So first thing I want to do is look at this tool here, and some of these data points will make more sense as we start looking at some competitive data. But the first two data points I want to look at with you are referring domains. And a referring domain, if you're unfamiliar, is a unique instance of a different website on the internet linking to you. Now, the reason I mention these is because Google looks at these as votes of confidence or trust signals. As a website owner, you want to have trusted websites linking to you because Google sees those and views those as votes of confidence. And also, as you get more sites linking to you, your DR or domain rating tends to increase as well. Now, DR is on a 0 to 100 scale and basically lets us know how strong or how authoritative your site is. And also lets us know how difficult or how competitive a keyword or phrase is likely to be to rank for. So that being said, I want to look at one of the pages on your site. And this is if we go into collections here. So if I go to all collections and I go to perfumes, and I go shop now, this shows your perfumes collection, but the URL is for best sellers. So there is some disconnect there from an optimization perspective. What I want to do is look at your homepage is optimized and your brand is built around somewhat. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I get the vibe that you are wanting to be branded as a luxury perfume. So from that perspective, I want to look at those keywords and see what's going on there. And the first thing to look at is see if there's any pages on your site or mentions that are best optimized for luxury perfume. And what I do here is go into Google, type in site : and your domain name. And then in quotes, I add luxury perfume. And we can even do this with a plus just to confirm. And what this does is shows us any page on your website that has the exact phrase luxury perfume. And this is telling me, and Google is telling me, there are no results found on your site, on your domain, that contain the exact phrase luxury perfume. So first of all, it's going to be difficult for you to rank, difficult or impossible for you to rank if you don't have that phrase on your site. Now, you do have some variants of this. You have fragrances and luxury here, eco luxury, niche perfumery, things like that. But if you wanted to rank for luxury perfume, you should absolutely have a page and or a collection set up for this. And what I mean by this and the potential here is if we look at the key phrase for luxury perfume, this shows all keywords now that contain luxury perfume. And you can see over 1,000 keywords, 1,031 different keywords. Monthly search volume for this key phrase alone, 11,000 searches per month. Global, if you sell worldwide, 104,000 per month. Now, some of these don't make sense for you to optimize for or rank for. They're probably luxury brands or super specific. And you could break this up men and women, and you get the point. There's a lot of opportunity here from that perspective. But what I want to do is look at the actual search results for the key phrase luxury perfume, see what your competitors are doing, and see if there's any opportunity here for you. So if we look here now at all the websites ranking on page 1 of Google for the key phrase luxury perfume. And as a quick reminder, your DR is 29. Again, 0 to 100 scale lets us know how strong or how authoritative your site is, or a site, I should say. So at number 1, we have a DR 27, luxuryperfume.com. Then we have Harrods, I'm not sure how to pronounce that brand, 79, Bloomingdale's 82, Clive Christian 48, uniqueluxury.com 4, Amazon 96, Gift Express 29. So there is some massive opportunity there for just this one keyword because you are stronger than multiple sites ranking on page 1 for this key phrase. So the keys and the ways to optimize this would be, number 1, make sure a page is optimized specifically for that key phrase in the title, description, and in the content, and then working to build other links to that page from other websites on the internet. Those would be the two primary factors. And another example here, this is just a broad search and example of the key phrase luxury perfume. So we have luxury perfume brands for women, brands for ladies, Bella Vita, I would assume that's a competitor brand. So a lot of potential there. And one other factor I wanted to show you is some of the pages on your site are actually over optimized. And what I mean by that is if I view page source here, we're looking at the code of your site now. And this is what Google looks at when determining what a site should rank for. And
If we look here, do a search for description. Your description is Kieran Fragrances is an American eco-luxury niche perfumery offering bold and unique, I don't know how to pronounce that, inspired by modern art and urban life in NYC. Founded by you, made in the USA, the house combines olfactive and visual art to inspire with its premium quality compilations, clean, cruelty-free, vegan. So the description here is way too long from an optimization perspective. It should be a maximum of 160 to 240 characters, depending on the search result that Google is displaying at the time. In general, though, maximum of around using about 160 characters, is generally the best bet for a description. So hopefully that makes sense. Just wanted to share with you a couple things I'm seeing from an SEO perspective. So if you're looking for help with any of this, I can absolutely help you out.
Hope you got some value from that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. And if you're looking for help with your SEO, fill out the contact form in the description or in the comment section of the video here, and I'll take a look at your website, your details, and see how I can best help you improve your organic SEO, generate more traffic, and improve your revenue as well.